posting every day, but honestly I don't know how reasonable that's going to be. Yeah, it gives me an excuse to ride every day. I gotta live up to the name Everyday Rider.
Yeah. I know, I saw that and I was like, oh, you're gonna have to post a lot. People are gonna call you out on that if you get following.
Well, they can suck it. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Do you want to go on that road that I told you about?
Yeah, I'll just follow you. Today gonna be riding with my boy Alex on his MT-07. He just got brand new. Gonna have a little fun. Yeah. Ah, it's still yellow. It is a nice day. I mean, it's kind of hot, but it's nice. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's kind of dark over there. Ooh, nice little sun coming out. I haven't been on this road. Apparently we're going to the overpass of next to the airport. So we'll see where that takes us. So far I'm kind of liking it. There's not that many cars out, even for being at 5-6 o'clock right now. Episode 2. MT-07 versus CBR 600? What? Woo. She flickable. She flicks. She flicks. Meow. Cop. Hello there. No, officer, I was not speeding. I was just trying to cool down the engine of my bike. Oh, this is kind of a nice road though. Would be a little sketched out of deer coming. What they're putting right there. Oh, hit that lean angle. Shade. It's kind of a nice house. It's very very Florida looking house for it being in North Carolina. Had that palm trees. I had that cool design for the scales. I don't know. Some video ideas. I'm thinking the next video I need to make is a mod video for my bike, because I mean, what YouTuber or what moto vlogger should I say hasn't done a mod video on their bike. So maybe that'll be my next video that I'll put out there. The goal is to post every day, riding every day, but then there's gonna be certain videos that I want to spend a little bit more time on, such as a mod video, such as an install video, put a little bit more effort into it. So I think that's probably gonna be my next move, but definitely open to ideas. Okay, this is a nice little road. Ooh, a little bumpy. I suppose we could save a little bit of gas. Go up to 4th gear. I think that's 4th gear. I don't know, I want to get a gear indicator on this bike. I heard they're pretty easy to install. And they're not too bad, they're like $50 a day, or $50. Okay, okay. Okay, it's a nice little road. I just like that there's like no cars in front of us. Like for it to be 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I'd expect more cars out here. Can barely even see his turn signal. That's a steep little corner. Ah, yes, I know where we are. I've been to this Outlook a couple times. It's pretty cool little neat area. Airport lookout. Damn, man, I forgot to get the knobbies on this tire. The knobbies on this bike. I'm gonna be doing some off-roading. Shit. Oh! I stalled.
Dude, I found this shit yesterday randomly. Brooke has been saying forever, like...
I always get sketched out trying to sit on my bike like that.
What?
I don't know. I just don't trust my my kickstand enough. It's probably fine, but I don't know. I always get sketched out. What size did you get?
Medium.
Medium? I wish I got a medium. Mine's a small. And mine will like, it breaks in eventually, but god damn, dude, it was tight the first few months.
Probably the right size, but...
Yeah, probably.
This is...
I know. What was that about rain? What?
If it ain't raining, you ain't training.
And that's true. Oh! He tried. I don't know, it's more wheelie than I could ever fucking get. Dude, I was like so close to getting a knee down on that turn. Dude, look how close I am. Oh, right here. Definitely getting a knee down right here. Oh, shit. Oh, hell yeah, dude. I was like inches away from getting that knee down. Oh. Oh, dude, I was so close. Alex, we're heading into the rain. My guy. Ow! It's like fucking pellets. I honestly don't know what he was writing thumbs up or down for. I don't know. I mean, I'm not stopping. Like, this is fine. It's fine. It's like that meme with the flames burning around the dock. It's fine. It was just getting my my bike a nice little quick wash. That's all. Man, I want to do a track day so bad. Woo. Downshift a little too much there. Nothing like a little refresher.
Yeah, what?
You said you wanted your rims cleaned, right? You said you wanted your rims cleaned, right? Man, now we're behind a FedEx truck. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Mr. I got all the torque in the world. Good. Good shit. Ain't no way I can do that on this bike. Not without clutching up. Yeah, baby one. I got a baby wheelie. Fucking rain. Ah, goddamn, this is a big ass fucking rain. Ah. Fuck you, rain. This is what I'm dealing with right now. That's what I get for riding every day. Damn, it is really coming down right now. Ow! Even through the jacket it kind of hurts. I can't even imagine like fucking being shirtless right now. This is no fun. I'm getting wet. Probably because I flicked off the gods. Whatever. My poor bike. Shit getting wet. What the fuck? Barely even see the fucking road. Well, now we're wet. Alright, well, I'll for real cut it off here now. Episode 2. Getting caught in the rain. Quite the fun little adventures. Alright, I'll have a good day. Adios.